What is that religion? That is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. This is religion. To surrender to God. It doesn't matter what religion you profess. It doesn't matter. But you must learn how to obey the Supreme Lord. That is religion. Religion does not mean that you stamp some stereotyped religion. I am Christian, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Buddhist, and then fight. That is not religion. That is religion means how one has become devoted to God. You claim to be religious, or you claim to be Hindu or Christian. That's all right. But do you know what is God? You are silent. Everyone, all nonsense, rascal, silent. He doesn't know what is God and what is his religion. If you do not know what is God, a fake idea, and that is not religion. You must know what is God. Just to become American citizen, it requires to know something of the history of America. So if American citizen, if you ask him, what you are American? Who is your president? I don't know. What is this nonsense, America? Would you like to hear from him? I do not know who is president. Similarly, a human being professing some certain type of religion, but you ask him, what is God? Religion must be in relationship with God, any religion. But ask him, what is God? No answer. But religion means, this is religion, first-class religion. What is that first-class religion? By practicing which one becomes a devotee of the Lord. That is religion. That is religion. So instead of becoming devotee of the Lord, we are devotee. This is our position. So in order to save the human society from this dangerous condition, without any knowledge of God, without any knowledge of religious principle, there must be some strong kings, strong government to save the people. Because this human life is a chance, inferior type of life, animals, birds, bees, trees. It is not possible. They are also living entities. But human life is developed, consciousness. So this is nature, gift, that now you try to understand what is God. Now you try to understand what is relationship with God. Now you practice yourself how to go back home to home. This is the business of the human society. So unless the king or government looks after it, how people will be advanced. The government is advocating that you drink, you have prostitution and gambling and give me tax. My business is finished. It was not like that. There are two things, animate and inanimate. There are two things. So Krishna says, I am the source, both animate and inanimate. So Krishna, what is Krishna? Krishna is life, supreme life. Krishna is not dead. We are getting to description. He is not a dead body. These are things very, elaborately described in the... Now, this origin of everything, what is the formation? Animate, inanimate. This is accepted. That means, the absolute truth means, the origin of everything. Now the next question would be, what is that origin? These modern scientists, they think the origin is chemical. But we say, no, it cannot be chemical. The origin of everything must be a cognizant. He knows everything. Otherwise, how he can be origin? It is very logical. Annaya, origin. Just like I have established this institution, I know how it was established perfectly and how it is going on. And somebody may not know how it was established in New York with so great difficulty. But because I am the origin founder, I know. So similarly, so many things are going on in the nature's way. Though the origin, he must know everything. And if he knows, then he cannot be inanimate. Where is the possibility of the origin becoming inanimate? No. Because the argument is, if one is origin of everything, or something is origin of, he must have sense how things are going on. That is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Or Tesu Vigya means cognizant. That if he is the origin of everything, how we got all knowledge perfectly. And therefore the next one is fully independent. He doesn't require to take knowledge from anyone else. Otherwise, how he can be origin? That origin is so perfect and is still Sura. Many scholars, many scientists, philosophers, they are also bewildered that how he can be a person. Actually, if we want to have knowledge of everything, the source of knowledge is Vedas. And the essence of Vedas is called Vedanta. And the descriptive explanation of Vedanta is the Srimad Bhagavatam. Krishna has recommended that if you want to know things with reason and argument, then try to understand Vedanta. Those who want to know the absolute truth through reasoning and argument, then one should study Vedanta Sutra. Sutra means codes. So that code also requires explanation. And that explanation is Srimad Bhagavatam. Thank you very much.